Hindi ito breakup story kasi hindi naman kami naging official, pero damn, this is the most painful heartbreak for me. I dated this guy na na-meet ko online. He was older than me, but he was gorgeous for his age. Isa siyang byudo na may 2 anak. Namatay ang asawa niya sa cancer. The thing is, he was not the only one I was dating. Sa lahat ng mga guys na nakadate ko at that time, siya yung nag-stand out. Not just sa looks department, but because he was really serious. He was moving too quickly though, pero okay lang sa akin kasi I felt that I was falling for him too. Ang problema, at the back of my head, lagi kong naiisip na he was too good to be true because I never believed someone like him or someone in general would be into me. And that's why I dated other guys on the side. One Sunday, he invited me for lunch with his family. Isang family reunion to meet his aunts. Dahil hindi pa ako ready to meet all of his family, I refused to go with him. The week before that, we went out for coffee and he was talking to me about marriage and family life. But I kept brushing him off and sabi ko it's too early to talk about it. Pag uwi ko, I noticed na nawawala yung phone ko and na-realize ko na naiwan ko pala siya sa kotse niya. I asked my friends na tawagan ang phone ko para ma-drain ang battery kasi natakot ako na baka buksan niya ang phone ko at makita niya na nakikipag-usap ako sa iba pang mga guys aside from him. And sure enough, binuksan niya ang phone ko and na-discover nga niya na hindi lang siya ang dinidate ko. What did I expect? Siyempre, nagalit siya. Sabi niya, yung pagtanggi ko raw na i-meet ang family niya, he already saw it as a red flag. Wala akong choice kundi sabihin yung totoo sa kanya. I told him that I only did that because I didn't know that he was serious about us. Hindi siya makapaniwala sa excuses ko kasi obvious naman daw na seryoso siya sa akin and he saw his future with me. Kaya nga he was always talking about family and stuff. I apologized sincerely but I guess the damage has been done. Doon sa nangyari sa amin, it made me realize na ang dami ko pang serious trust issues and that I got a really bad case of inferiority complex. I always wondered, what if I just ditched the other guys early on? What if I took him seriously? What if I trusted him? Ang daming what ifs. I also thought na mali yung timing para sa aming dalawa. Dumating siya sa buhay ko na I was experimenting and exploring how far my physique would take me. And at the time na lagi kong hinahanap yung magpupuno ng insecurities ko sa sarili ko by dating a lot of guys. I know I was wrong but it was too late. I will always regret what I did and what happened to us. But at least I have learned my lessons. Hindi man kami umabot sa pagiging official, he taught me valuable lessons na hindi kawalan ang magbigay ng trust sa isang tao. Risky yon, oo. Kasi baka nga maibigay mo ang trust mo sa maling tao pero ganun naman talaga yata eh. In my case, hindi ako nagbigay ng trust sa tamang tao. Sometimes, I still think about him. Sometimes, I still find myself thinking about his kisses, about what could have been for our future, and how crazy I was to make a huge mistake like that. Pero ganun naman talaga ang buhay. At ngayon, I always say, don't be afraid to let yourself go. Do not overthink. If you love someone, just give in. Give yourself a chance because it may be your only chance to be truly happy.